I'm back, guys, with another blog. So we teach English online. This one is Anturi, is a Vietnam school that hires native and non-native English speakers. For adults and children is one-on-one, no qualifications needed. They require minimum of 6 months of experience. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is available for South Africans. So yay. So good luck and go and apply. Website or application material will be on the comment section.